Alright guys, so for this video I have something cool to show you. I've been busy programming my own fake command prompt. So you can see it's not really too small. It's actually a few hundred lines of code. So some of the more important things to point out are that I put in a hack to enable the right click menu. So you can actually see, you can right click and select mark, and that works. So that's just to make it seem more legitimate. Also, you can CD all the way into the root of the hard drive, either by doing ... or with a slash. I've replaced netstat with my own output, and then tree and dir hides whatever they type. And instead of displaying what they type, it saves it to a log file, and so we can later on we can see what they type just for the fun of it. And then instead of showing what they typed, it loops through these strings here. So if they actually paste in enough lines, they're actually going to get to these insulting ones here. So we'll see if that happens. But this is the only way to replace dir since it's actually built into the command prompt. So a lot of scammers will use dir instead of tree for whatever reason. So let's see how this looks, shall we? So you can see it looks just like a normal command prompt. I can cd all the way to the root. I can run netstat. You can see it says not a hacker. If they have caps locks on, it still runs the command. If you type in something random, you see it's not a recognized command. Now if I run tree, I'm going to run tree and then I'm going to copy all this text and paste it into the window. So you can see it output the strings that I have in the system instead of what I pasted in. Also, it goes back to looking like a command prompt, but it's still trapping them. So unlike the tree batch file that I created before, they're completely locked into this fake command prompt. So yeah, you can also see here, it actually saved the hidden log, and we can see the text that I pasted in. So this should be pretty interesting.
Thank you for calling technical support. My name is Andrew. How can I help you today?
Yeah, hi. I seem to be having a problem with my computer.
Pardon?
I seem to be having a problem with my computer.
So can you explain to me what kind of problem you're facing on the computer?
Yeah, it says, I have this message that popped up on my screen. It's kind of freaking me out. It said to call this number. It says that a suspicious connection was trying to access your logins, banking details, and tracking your internet activity.
Well, were you over the internet, browsing internet when this message came in?
I was just trying to get to Facebook, and then next thing I know, this message popped up.
Well, that means the computer was connected to internet, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and how about the security on the computer? As in, what kind of softwares are you using to protect the internet connection?
I mean, my friend gave me this computer, and he said that it was like safe. He said that it had antivirus on it.
Well, yes, antivirus, see, antivirus is a different thing, but then it just blocks the viruses in the computer. What happens is if someone tries to hack into the computer, because you put in your personal details in the computer while logging in to Facebook, while logging into your email, or if you're used to doing internet banking from this computer, you would be putting your financial credentials and personal information into it. And if you don't have a proper working anti-hacking tool or internet security on it, your computer can be hacked in very easily.
Oh, okay.
So let me take a look at that. Let me pull out the tools on my computer. I'll get your computer connected to our server and start troubleshooting it and see what's causing this problem. Just give me a quick second, all right?
Okay.
Meanwhile, you can look down towards the bottom left-hand side of the keyboard, there is a Microsoft Windows key, a key with 4 squares over it.
Yeah, it looks like the Windows logo or something. Is that what you're talking about?
Yes. Yes, the Windows key.
Okay.
What you have to do is hold down the Windows key. While holding it down, along with it, R as in Romeo.
Oh, the R key. Okay. Okay, I did that.
All right. Now release both of them. A run box will pop up.
Yeah.
Type the name of a program.
Yeah. It says run at the
Inside
top.
that box. Yes. So now inside that box, first of all, if anything is written inside that box, just clear that off. Erase that.
Okay.
All right. And after that, start typing in HH space H inside that box.
Okay.
And before clicking on OK, please read out to me what you have typed in.
HH space H.
Yes, sir. Click on OK now. Once you click on OK, towards the top right-hand corner, a window will pop up, HTML help.
Yeah, I see that.
Yes, maximize that page, maximize that window.
Just make it bigger.
Done that?
Yeah.
Right then. Now take a look towards the extreme left-hand top corner, top left-hand corner, right next to HTML help, you'll see a yellow color question mark icon.
Okay.
Click on that, a list will drop down.
Yeah, I see that.
Yes. The second last option in that list, jump to URL.
Yeah.
Click on that, please. And once you click on that, in the center of the screen, you'll get a small window. And there is an option, jump to this URL. Right under jump to this URL, there is an empty space. In that space, type in a web address, www.
Okay, www dot
C
C
B
C B.
T.
Oh, T.
No, it's CBT.
CBP.
One more T.
What? I can't tell what letter you're saying.
It's T as in Tom, T as in Texas, T as in tomato.
Okay. So wait, it's C as in car, B as in boy, P as in Peter.
No, not P. It's T. T as in tea, what you drink.
Oh, okay.
And then one more T,
Okay.
as in the drink, tea.
Okay.
Then R as in robot.
Okay.
.com.
Okay, so I have www.cbttr.com.
Yes, sir. Click on Enter button now. Once you click on Enter button, remote support connection page will get loaded up.
Yeah, I see that. Okay.
You'll see two empty boxes. The first one requires your name. The second one requires a 9-digit support key. You start filling up your name in the first box. I'm generating a support key.
Okay.
Right, then I have a support key. Let me know once you're ready to type that in.
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah, the support key is 252
252
519
519
785.
785. Okay.
Now next to it, the blue continue icon, please click on that. Once you click on the blue continue icon, a go to assist.exe file will start getting downloaded into the computer.
Uh-huh.
And once it's finished downloading, click on it. It will prompt you whether you want to run it or save it or cancel it. Click on run.
Okay. I clicked on run. Another window
And
popped up that says run or don't run now.
run it. Click on run.
Okay.
And after that, the file will start initializing into the computer. Once it finishes initializing, it will again prompt you for a permission saying user account control permission, saying this program want to make certain changes into the computer, whether you want to allow that or not. Click on yes or allow, whatever option you see, the positive option.
Okay. I clicked on yes.
Mm-hmm. Right then, one last yes you have to click on, join support connection, and we're all set to go. And I'm speaking to Mark.
Yes.
Alright, Mark, very good job done over here. Now can you see this cursor moving on the computer screen?
Yeah, I see that.
Yes. This is me who's moving it. That means I've got your computer connected to our server. Now you can sit back and relax. I'll troubleshoot whatever issue is going on with the computer.
Okay.
And do you have any idea how old is this computer?
It's like about 3 years old. 3 or 4.
And then when was the last time the computer was serviced?
Well, I mean, I've never really taken it in before.
See, are you talking about this C cleaner?
Oh no, my friend put that on there.
Well, that's what I mean. This is nothing.
Oh.
This doesn't do anything. Yes, C cleaner is no software. It's just something that occupies memory in the computer and doesn't really do anything.
Oh, okay.
Yes. So, and for how long you have been using this computer?
I mean, like I said, I got it like maybe 3 or 4 years ago.
And you use internet on this every day?
Yeah, almost every day, yeah.
Alright, okay. A suspicious connection was trying to access your logins, banking details, tracking your internet activity. And do you do banking on the computer, or anything that involves things like putting in your credit card details, your passwords, emails, etc. as in internet shopping?
Yeah, sometimes I'll buy stuff online, or like I'll log into my bank so that I can pay bills or something.
Yeah, that's what. Let me check about it. And you don't have a proper security to protect your all these information.
Oh.
If you know the name of that organization or the number of that, you can provide us and there is something wrong that is providing you the proper services. You have to put a put a legal action against what the services authority.
All right, let's take a look at what all things are going on inside the computer. See, Mark, what happens is internet being an open source application, while you're using it, so many others are using it, million others are using it globally at the same time. And there is a lot of virus circulating, flowing inside the internet. There are Trojan files, there are malicious spywares or adwares in the computer. What happens is as soon as you get your computer connected to internet, I mean, the computer starts downloading all those viruses. I mean, the viruses start getting downloaded into the computer automatically and never realize it because everything happens in the background of the computer without your knowledge.
Oh.
Had there been a proper security on the computer would have blocked that, but right now you don't have no security, you just don't have anything in the computer to secure itself. So whatever virus tries to get inside the computer, it just gets inside the computer directly without your information. And there is an error inside the computer. One error on an average is equivalent to 1024 viruses. So you have almost 1024 viruses inside the computer.
I tried to clear the events, but errors pop up.
So you should get all of this error out of the computer before it starts hitting the computer and affecting the computer in a wrong way.
Now he's going to hit my fake msconfig.
And what about the internet service provider?
Time Warner?
Time Warner. Well, all of the services are running perfect inside the computer.
Oh, okay.
Mark, where are you calling us from, my friend?
Oh, where am I calling from? Missouri.
Missouri, all right. And these are all the viruses inside the computer. These are few of the viruses. What these are doing is these are occupying a lot of unnecessary space inside the computer, thus making it slow or trying to make it slow. So I've deleted these. The computer doesn't look too bad. I mean, it's the speed is good. All the functions are running inside it properly.
Okay.
Not a problem with it at all.
Yes.
Just the thing is, security software is missing. You should get a proper security service done on the computer.
Tree.
And you're all good. Let me do a system inbuilt scan. It'll give us a proper idea of, what's happening inside the computer.
Oh, okay. Yes. See, it's unfortunate you can't delete all the errors and warnings because, by the time they connect to your computer, you've already got like at least one or two. So, it's just kind of annoying. You can hear him typing.
What do you do for work, Mark?
Oh, what's my job? I'm a mechanic.
Sir? Mechanic. All right, okay.
Yeah, I work on the big trucks.
There are a lot of files inside the. You work on the truck.
Yeah.
That's kind of cool.
Yeah. I mean, it's a job,
Physical work. I mean, at least better than sitting in front of a computer for 9 hours.
Right. That's true. Scamming people.
Yes, sir. Well, why is this? I mean, there's a lot of too many files inside the computer. It's taking a lot of time for these to scan.
Oh. I don't think I have.
What's the basic use? Pardon?
Oh, I don't think I have too many files on here. I mean, it's not like I have a ton of pictures or anything,
Well, yeah, because this is moving to. Otherwise, could be malicious files as well, which are running in the background of the computer.
Oh, gotcha.
Which could have got downloaded by themselves. Yes. I see. These were the images, IMG, JPG.
Oh, I see. He's not used to seeing the files because he runs tree without the /f command.
Let it happen. Let it finish now. It'll take some time.
Okay.
Meanwhile, let's check the. Let's see what's the configuration of the computer is. Now this is a cool computer you have. And with a older window, this is a pretty decent configuration. 4 GB of RAM, 64-bit operating system, the latest you get.
Oh, okay, okay.
So you have a pretty decent computer. You better get a proper security on it. You can use it for a long, long time. You won't get too many issues with it. Just the thing is, Mark, what happens is, the thing with viruses is, you never realize that, I mean, if you don't have a proper security on the computer, you will never realize that you're getting a virus into the computer. Well, the major source of getting a virus is internet. I mean, internet provides 80% of the viruses which are present inside the computer, and the remaining 20% they get injected through when we connect any of the peripheral devices to the computer attachable devices, as in your smartphone or iPod, iPad, or printer, router, scanner, stuff like that. And you connect all USB pen drives to share data, to share photos, to share videos. And when we
Oh,
connect all these things to the computer, some virus into the computer from there as well.
oh, I
So if
see.
you have a proper antivirus in the computer, you can avoid all of those.
Oh, come on. Oh, it didn't do anything.
No virus is found, network security is fully operational, IP address is secured, and no active hackers found. Mother chode scammer detected in system. Please disconnect from the grocery K controlling your computer now. What the fuck is this? I mean, what does this mean?
What do you mean? What do you mean? What does it mean?
I mean, can you read this out?
Yeah, it says no viruses found. Network security fully operational. IP
Yes,
addresses.
sir. Your computer is all safe and secure. Well, there is nothing wrong with the computer.
It said there was a motachode connected to my computer. Is that true? Oh, you're not gonna say it on the phone? You're just gonna type it out like a little chutia? Oh, come on. Come on, little Ben Chode. Say something. Oh, shit. Uh, oh, come on, man. Hey, Mary Loon, choose Bostike. $8,900. I don't know. I don't know what you're talking about there. Oh, where'd you go? You know what I'm really interested to see is what you actually pasted into my command prompt. So what we're gonna do here is uh, we're actually gonna go see what you pasted in here, just out of curiosity. Oh, here it is, hidden log. Oh, Trojan viruses. You misspelled detected, man. Oh, that's how you roll, huh? What a little scamming monochode. You got caught, man. This is this looks like such BS. You got caught, man. Oh, this is so great. My fake command prompt worked perfectly. Now he's just, random insults typed in here. It's not too fun anymore. You're not on the phone anymore? You don't want to talk? Just muted your microphone. This is so funny. Oh my god. And then he was like, "What's going on?" Oh my god. Too funny. Alright. I'll have to get all this translated. Or maybe somebody that's watching the video is going to know. But I don't speak that. Good, better good. I am proud of you. Okay.